India's goal of reaching a $5 trillion economy milestone is now expected to be delayed by 1 year, shifting from FY28 to FY29, according to IMF's latest report. The IMF lowered India's GDP projection for FY28 to about $4.96 trillion, down close to $200 billion from an earlier estimate of $5.15 trillion made in February 2025. However, it maintains optimism about India's real economic growth, forecasting 6.6% growth in FY26 and 6.2% growth in FY27, supported by strong domestic demand and structural improvements. However, nominal growth, which factors in inflation and currency value, is critical for reaching the $5 trillion benchmark, and here India faces challenges. So what is going wrong here? Headline inflation is expected to cool to 2.8% in FY26 due to food price corrections and GST rate cuts, which, while beneficial for households, suppresses overall nominal growth. Another significant factor weighing on the dollar value of India's economy is the depreciation of the rupee. The IMF revised its assumptions, projecting that the rupee will weaken to around 87 per dollar in FY26 and 87.7 per dollar in FY27, higher than earlier expected. This currency shift reduces India's GDP valuation when converted to dollars, even if real economic activity remains solid. The IMF advocates for allowing more exchange rate flexibility rather than heavy intervention, but warns of potential bouts of depreciation under global uncertainty and tighter financing conditions. US tariffs on Indian exports, which remain in place at elevated levels, are expected to hurt export growth, dampen investment sentiment, and weaken trade terms. Government support partly cushions these effects but cannot eliminate them, is what IMF has said. Brokerages like S&P also say that if India-US deal is not reached, FIIs may stay away from India due to uncertainty. So a deal with US will bring in better clarity for both economies. Lastly, the IMF cautions about India's fiscal space. Despite ongoing fiscal consolidation efforts, high government debt levels projected at 81.1% of the GDP in FY26 restrict the ability to use expansive fiscal policies to accelerate nominal GDP growth aggressively. Tax cuts like those in GST and personal income tax need close monitoring to avoid narrowing the tax base. So the IMF advocates for medium-term fiscal consolidation, efficient spending, targeted support, and stronger state-level management as the prudent step forward.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.